Sweet potatoes are nutrient-rich tuberous root vegetables that offer various health benefits. However, it's essential to consider both the positive aspects and potential risks associated with their consumption. Health benefits of sweet potatoes. Rich in nutrients, sweet potatoes are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. The orange-fleshed varieties are particularly high in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. Antioxidant properties. Sweet potatoes contain antioxidants, such as beta-carotene, which can help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Regulation of blood sugar. Despite their sweet taste, sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index compared to regular potatoes. This means they may help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a suitable option for individuals with diabetes. Digestive health. The fiber content in sweet potatoes promotes digestive health by supporting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Immune system support. The vitamins and minerals present in sweet potatoes contribute to a healthy immune system, helping the body defend against infections and illnesses. Heart health. Potassium in sweet potatoes can help regulate blood pressure, promoting cardiovascular health. Vision support. The high levels of beta-carotene contribute to eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Potential risks or considerations. Carbohydrate content. While sweet potatoes have numerous health benefits, they are relatively high in carbohydrates. Individuals on low-carbohydrate diets or those with certain medical conditions like insulin resistance should monitor their intake. Allergies. Some people may be allergic to sweet potatoes. Allergic reactions can range from mild symptoms like itching and hives to more severe reactions requiring medical attention. Oxalates. Sweet potatoes contain oxalates, naturally occurring compounds that can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. People with a history of kidney stones may need to moderate their intake. Moderation in cooking methods. Frying sweet potatoes or preparing them with excessive amounts of unhealthy fats and sugars can diminish their health benefits and contribute to weight gain and other health issues. It's important to note that individual responses to sweet potatoes can vary, and moderation is key to enjoying their health benefits without potential risks. As with any dietary concerns or specific health conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice.